Hey everyone, Councilor Bodenegger here. Quick reminder, retail, restaurant, and service business, downtown Glendale. We want to help you. We want to help promote you. So send us your information so we can coordinate with you, so we can go and take a short video with you, do an interview with you, maybe do some short reels for you, let everyone know where you're at, what you have inside your business and business hours and all that stuff. I want to help bring in business. So reach out, please, to me and my assistant. We can coordinate everything for you, just so I can help. It's free. I don't want any credit recognition. I just want to help. Call. We can coordinate something so we can go down there, either myself and my assistant or just my assistant. However, we can coordinate it to make sure that we are really pushing for the businesses in downtown. Again, retail, restaurant, and service businesses all downtown. Give us a call. We want to help.